So last night I watched Nun Part 2 and I have to say it was a bit confusing at the end, better than the first Nun movie but still sits very low in the entire Conjuring Universe movies list. This was the overall 9th movie. We had 3 Annabelle movies, 3 Conjuring movies, now 2 Nun movies and one another movie called as The Curse of La Llorona. Having said that, the ending of this movie teased a very interesting detail for the entire Conjuring universe. We'll talk about that at the end of the video, so please stick around till then. Also, this being a horror movie, it was not that scary. I mean, I don't generally get scared watching horror movies, so my experience and your experience may differ, but there were still 5 to 6 good horror scenes in which the theater almost gasped. So all in all, you can expect 5 to 6 or 7 good horror scenes from this movie. Talking about suspense, it does do a fine job there. It keeps you guessing till the final act of the movie, and even after that, the entire ending feels like, what happened? What did this scene specifically mean? Now this also have to do a lot about the entire Conjuring universe scenario, because as we know, the main demon in this universe, Valak, appears in the Conjuring movies too. So we very well know that this was not the end of the Nun demon that we deal with in this movie. Overall, I could say if you are a fan of the Conjuring universe and wants to know more about the origins of the demon, you should watch this movie. On the other hand, if you are someone who does not follow the Conjuring universe, I can say it won't be a loss if you skip this movie entirely. Now we'll talk a little bit about the ending of the movie. So here is your spoiler warning. The ending of the movie did tease a connection between Sister Irene that we see in this movie and Lorraine Warren that we see in the Conjuring movies. First of all, both Irene and Lorraine look similar, right? This is because they are played by a real life sister, they are played by siblings. Now that's another point. Now coming back to this movie, it is clear that Sister Irene and Saint Lucy share the same bloodline. This is why Irene has visions of Saint Lucy, her mother, and also Lorraine Warren. This means Lorraine and Sister Irene also share the same bloodline as Saint Lucy, but it is still not clear how they are actually related. They could be sisters or they could be related in some other way as well. The director of the movie himself have confirmed this, that they are related in some way. So this is really going to be very interesting to see. Will there be a team of both Sister Irene and Lorraine Warren? We fans would definitely hope for that. But for now, the final point of this video and my favorite one. In this movie Nun 2, where Sophie roams around the school, she opens her door to look for her mother and she sees a vision. Now when I saw this scene, I immediately told my friend, this scene is from the Conjuring movies, and I was very shocked to see that. So today I searched about it and it was in fact true. It was a scene from the second Conjuring movie. But here's the interesting thing. The Conjuring movies takes place years after the Nun movies. So how could there be a scene from the future in this movie? What is the significance or the message of this scene in this movie? Was this done by Saint Lucy's eyes or by the demon Valak? I personally think since Sister Irene and Lorraine are connected and they both share the same bloodline as Saint Lucy, it could be a hint at the powers of Saint Lucy's eyes. Well, that's it for this video and thank you so much for watching.